I've been a client with Galson Laboratories for a little over 5 years. The reason I continue to use Galson Laboratories is the high quality of the services that they provide. In my day-to-day dealings with them, they go above and beyond with information and diving catch customer service. I use a lot of Galson Laboratories programs, including free pump loans, free sampling badges, the IH chat line, and the phone calls that I make to the customer service reps. And I find those very, very helpful. The amount and depth of information that the customer service reps provide, if I have concerns or questions, and the flexibility and responsiveness that there is consistently to the day-to-day variations in challenges associated with getting the sampling completed successfully. The customer service and which goes above and beyond what I've become accustomed to expect from other services, and also the information. There's just a tremendous amount of knowledge that can be gained anytime I call them up and ask a question. They'll answer my question. The customer service representatives will answer my question, but then add another useful tidbit of information that I possibly wouldn't have considered, and I find that really helpful. Invariably in my work life, I'll get someone who needs to do their own air monitoring and may not have the experience, and I feel very comfortable referring them to Galson, and this has happened on a number of occasions. And the results have been great, both for the employer as well as the employees that are wondering or looking for information or answers. And so I don't have a single incident, but I feel very comfortable referring people to Galson. I would absolutely recommend Galson Laboratories, and I actually believe that I have, in that I'll sometimes be working with some of my clients, and they'll be asking about doing their own sampling, and I give them Galson's name, not only because it's the lab that I currently work with and the work will be similar, but also because I know they're in good hands when they're working with Galson, and that even if they don't have the experience that other employers might have in terms of sampling familiarity, that they'll be taken care of. And that's been my experience so far with everyone that I've sent to Galson Labs.